Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to learn of your Beehive book, chapter 6. The name of the chapter is My Childhood. Students, I would like to ask you some question. For our country, can you name a person who is a scientist, at the same time who was a politician, at the same time who has contributed lot for the people, and the name will come to your mind first, that is about the missile man of India, about the missile man of India. You know about that? About whom I am talking about? About whom I am talking? The missile man of India. My childhood, the chapter given in your book is taken from that person's autobiography. The name is Wings of Fire. Now tell me, who is that person, the missile man of India? Every Indians in their mouth, the name is there. Yes, none other than our great scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. Who? APJ Abdul Kalam. I am talking about this person, the scientist, the person who contributed lot for India's defense system, India's exploration of aerospace exploration, investigation. At the same time, the missiles of India, about India's strength. So the person APJ Abdul Kalam, beta, I am going to tell you about his childhood age story. Before that, so tell me the full form of APJ Abdul Kalam. Maybe the full form is Abul Pakir Labdin Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. So the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, the great scientist, the 11th president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. The name of his parents, Jainulabdin is the name of his father, Jainulabdin Kalam, and his mother Asiamma was his mother. So this great person has written about his life story, that is called autobiography. Autobiography means, I told you earlier also, जब कोई इंसान अपने लाइफ के बारे में, अपने लाइफ के हिस्ट्री को लिखते हैं अपने हाथों से, उसको कहते हैं ऑटोबायोग्राफी. तो एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने भी अपना एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी थी, द फेमस बेस्ट ऑटोबायोग्राफी, यू कैन से द नेम ऑफ द विंग्स ऑफ फायर. विंग्स ऑफ फायर के छोटा सा एक पार्ट जहाँ पे एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, दिस इज एन ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवल, उससे एक छोटा सा पार्ट अबाउट हिज चाइल्डहुड एज जिसको एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने डिस्क्राइब किया है, उसी का कुछ हिस्सा तुम्हारे सिलेबस में दिया गया है. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू सो मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट हिज लाइफ, दैट द पर्सन was he very much talented from his childhood, how was the life when he was a child, everything you will get here. So it is clear that My Childhood chapter has been taken from the autobiographical writing of APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire, and his father name is Jainulabdin and mother Asiamma. And so after that I will be telling you that APJ Abdul Kalam, he became the 11th president of India. Yes, you know, APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the 11th president of India. Yes, from 2002 to 2007 he was the president of India. Yes, and he was born in this month, August. He was born in 1931, date is August. So he was born in 1931 and he died in 2012 in एम्स में in 2012 he died. So student, this is about his life story. We will learn more about him. Yes students, so this great person was born in a small city of रामेश्वरम. रामेश्वरम के जो पुराना यहाँ पे इसको मद्रास नाम से जाने जाते थे फॉर्मली, तो रामेश्वरम के एक छोटा सा शहर में उनका जन्म हुआ था. ही वॉज बोर्न इन 1931 15th October and he died in 2012 27th July in Ames शिलोंग के एम्स में, दैट इज़ इन मेघालय. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट हिज बायोग्राफी, द पर्सन. लेटर इन दिस चैप्टर what he told about his life, what was his childhood, how was his parents, how did he got some discrimination in his life, how he earned his first hard working money, and what happened during the World War time, who was the role model of his life, who was this teacher that he wanted to remind every time. So this all we will learn from this great man APJ Abdul Kalam, and this chapter is about his life. And student, in this chapter at the beginning the narrator is telling, APJ Abdul Kalam is telling that I was born in a middle class family. He was born in a middle class family. His father was not an educated person, not well educated person. His father जो थे not well educated, and but he told, although he was not well educated, but he was very wise and he is having some innate talent to understand human beings, to help others. And his mother Asiamma was also a great helpmate of his father. The narrator is given here an important line that my father every time he did not enjoy any kind of luxuries. His father taught all of his children what is need and what is luxury, and his father never allowed to enter any kind of luxury in their life. But that doesn't mean the basic needs जो जरूरी था उन लोगों के लिए, that is what? That is food, dress, shelter and education. These things are the basics of their life. His father every time inspired them that these are the basic need. When you are getting food in your house, chawal, dal, roti, that is need. When you are expecting for pizza, biryani every day, that is luxury. When you are wearing dress, any homemade dress, any kind of dress, but when you are asking for all branded things, that is luxury. You are living in a house. He is telling that my father's house was a big house. It was a large pukka house, ancestral house. The house has been made by his forefathers. उनके पूर्वजों के बनाए हुए पुक्का हाउस में रहते थे. But most of the important things is their humanity. He is telling that my parents, मेरे मम्मी आसियामा जो सबसे बड़ा हेल्पमेट थे, हर रोज़ उनके घर में जितने ना फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे उनसे कई गुना बाहर के लोगों के उनके घर में खाना खाते थे, लोगों को खिलाते थे, गरीबों को हेल्प करते थे. उनके पापा इतना बड़े फैमिली से नहीं थे, फिर भी कभी बच्चों को लग्जरी के लिए मोटिवेट नहीं किए. ही नोटिस, अब्दुल कलाम एक समय बना है बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ हिज लाइफ. एंड ही इज टेलिंग दैट APJ अब्दुल कलाम, ही वाज टोल्ड इन माय फैमिली माय फादर मदर बोथ वर टॉल एंड हैंडसम. सब लोग बहुत अच्छे दिखने वाले थे, मैं ही थोड़ा सा अलग से पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया. मेरे घर में मेरे पापा मम्मी भाई जितने भी लोग थे मेरे फैमिली, ऑल वर वेरी मच टॉल एंड हैंडसम, दे आर ब्यूटीफुल. ओनली आई वाज बोर्न अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट वे. मेरा जन्म बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से हुआ था। मैं थोड़ा सा काला था, शॉर्ट हाइटेड था, बट मेरे पेरेंट्स कभी मुझे समझने नहीं देते थे। एंड उनके खाने का हैबिट क्या बता रहे, मेरे घर में मेरे मम्मी केले के पत्ते होता है, उस पत्ते में मुझे खाना देते थे और हम अपने किचन में मम्मी के साथ बैठ के खाना खाते थे। सो दैट वाज अ वेरी हम्बल बिगिनिंग ऑफ हिज लाइफ। एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के लाइफ के हम्बल बिगिनिंग ही हैज़ बीन मेंशनिंग हियर, and after that we will also learn what is going on. In the next video I will be explaining everything. Students, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like also. Thank you and have a nice day.